So, let's talk about having the right tools for your car when you need them most. We may build the best spare tire on planet Earth. Pardon our humble brag. But if you can't install it, we have simply failed. Hybrid and fully electric cars are among the heaviest vehicles on the road, not to mention newer minivans and S.U.Vees. Each complete spare tire kit from Modern Spare features a rigid 4,000-pound low-profile scissor jack. Your modern vehicle needs the right capacity jack, without exception. Here's a pro tip. When your vehicle is raised and has a wheel removed, this is no time to learn the critical importance of jack capacity. Modern Spare realizes there is more to a good jack than just weight capacity alone. With our obsession to be the spare tire company that thinks of everything, we designed our jacks based on what you need and not just relying on what is available. Modern vehicles have precise lifting locations and will not always tolerate just any universal jack. A good jack must have the right contact point specific to the vehicle you own. Peace of mind comes from knowing your complete spare tire kit from Modern Spare will have the right jack for your car. And what about those car models that have low or minimal ground clearance? Funny you should ask. As it happens, we've designed all Modern Spare jacks to work properly with lower vehicles. So even with a flat tire, the jack will still fit under your car and do what it is designed to do. Just as critical as having the right jack, during a tire change, stubborn lug nuts can stop you cold. Your complete Modern Spare tire kit includes a high-leverage and compact lug wrench set designed to fit 4 different lug nut sizes and easily remove the most stubborn, over-tightened lug nuts. In short, with Modern Spare, it's about having what you need when you need it most.